Okay, so if you're upgrading from PS4 to PS5 or PS5 to PS5 Pro like I have here, then you want to keep your save games, right? Now, if you have the PlayStation Plus, then you can restore your save games via the cloud. So let's get into how you exactly do that. First, you need to sign in with your ID, with your personal PlayStation account. Now, if you have a PlayStation Plus account, then all of your save games will be saved in the cloud as well as on your previous console. Now, if you don't have that, you can still move over your files and your save games from your PS4 or your previous PS5 to this console. You both need to have them on the same network. So you still have to have your old PS4 or PS5 to do that. But I have a separate video on that. But today I want to show you how you can restore those cloud save games. So in this case, we can skip and finish and skip the data transfer from your previous console and save data and game app settings. So now if I save data from PS5 or PS4, and we can sync saved data with the cloud or download or delete from cloud storage. So you can get all of your saved data that you have there in the cloud. So right now we can download from cloud storage, and then we can see if our sync data is saved. So let's download to our console storage. And here you can see what saved data you have in different games. So you can check if all your games are in there. As you can see, I've tried a lot of games over the years, and I have all of that saved data right here on the cloud. So having that subscription and that cloud save game could really save your life, because my PS5 was stolen and I had no other way of getting the saved data back onto my console storage than with the cloud service. So I was glad that I had that, not only for online play or the games that you can get with it, but also for that cloud storage. So thank God that I had that. So let's select all and then download that to the console storage. And then click download right here at the bottom. And then, well, it's downloading all that data, and it shouldn't be too much. So you can see it's now downloading. You can see the calculating the remaining time. It shouldn't be too long, because saved data is quite small in comparison to full games. So if you're downloading full games at high speeds, then, well, downloading all the saved data shouldn't take too long. So let's see. And yep, there they already are. And now I can immediately start playing my saved games from within this console. So very nice. And then we can immediately start playing those. You have to download the games again if they're on this new console. So you don't have like the games in your library with this. So you don't have the games immediately in your library if you do it this way, but you do have all your saved data, and then you can download the games again from the store where you bought them, or you can insert the disc into your PlayStation again and get the games that way if you had a physical copy. So you can immediately start playing them, and I hope this video has helped you with, well, getting your previously saved game from your PlayStation Plus subscription onto your new console.